Well, y'all, I'm gonna actually show you a couple of new sets that I recently got for tools wise, because it's been a while since I've shown a couple of things. So I mean, why not? So the first one's gonna be a seal driver from Amazon. That's the name, but goes all the way up to 81 millimeter. And that's for, actually, not for your seals, but that's for your races and bearings. And 42 millimeter it goes up to. But yeah, and an inch and 1/16, inch and 3/8. Yeah. And then there's one more thing. I gotta see how I put the. And then for a decent multi-purpose puller, still on Amazon, because I'm an Amazon freak. And this is my puller set. Yeah, that was 100 something, 120, something like that. I do not remember the name of it. All I know it was off Amazon. Yeah, slowly accumulating more and more tools. I'm definitely gonna have to get another added on to the toolbox, because I'm running out of room. A little bit running out of room. Still got a little bit of room, you know, because I've been putting some stuff up top. Electric drawer. This is the amp pound. This is my multimeter, and then these are the connectors. Trailer, electric tape. And miscellaneous stuff with screwdrivers and Torx bits and check gauges. Power drawer. Oh, and I got me one. It's the 725 half inch. Now I need to get the 3/4. And then I got this for those clamp styles for the plastic things. And then these are for external retaining rings. Those are about the new things that I've recently got. And then obviously our homemade trunnion bushing. A couple of homemade things, but for the most part, everything's bought. And this is for the bolts for doing the calipers on the semis. Inch and 3/16 from Proto. Costs like 50 something. Cheaper than buying.
That should be it for us.
Okay, thank you.
Balance is here, so it should be good.
Alright. And then my mackerel wrenches. I just need to go up a little higher, but I mean, 1.25 I think is the highest they go. But I like them. The only thing that I don't like is that design. It's not like regular, but it works. No, I'll be leaving soon. I'll be leaving soon. Alright, y'all. We'll talk to you later.